Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making banana pudding. Guys, this recipe has layers of creamy, homemade vanilla pudding, bananas, and vanilla wafers. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by making homemade vanilla pudding. So let's get right into the ingredients you will need. You are going to need milk, eggs, cornstarch, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, and butter. First things first, combine milk and sugar, then give it a good stir for 1 minute. Next, we are adding in cornstarch. Give it a good stir. Whisk the eggs and add it to the milk mixture. We're gonna also add salt. Then we're gonna whisk all this for a good 2 minutes until well combined. Add the milk mixture to a medium saucepan. Then we're gonna head to the stove. Heat the mixture until it begins to boil, whisking frequently. If you don't whisk constantly, 10 pudding skin will form on the bottom of the pan. Nobody wants that, guys. Keep the heat at medium because high heat will likely cause the mixture to scorch. So just take your time, guys. This whole process will take between 5 to 7 minutes for the pudding to thicken. As soon as the pudding thickens, take it off the heat and stir in vanilla extract. Next, we're gonna stir in butter. This adds a touch of richness that takes this pudding over top. Don't skip it, guys. Next, we are going to strain the custard. Straining helps to remove any bits of curdled or cooked eggs, guys, from the custard. Also, to ensure that the custard is smooth is to strain it. Do not skip this step. If you have never had a pudding made from scratch, guys, it's nothing like pudding mix from a box. Scratch pudding is the promised land. The homemade vanilla custard is sweet, delicious, and smooth with big nostalgic appeal. So I hope you'll try this recipe, guys, and let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section down below. Make sure you scrape off the pudding under the strainer. Cover with a plastic wrap, making sure it touches the pudding. We don't want the pudding to form a skin, guys. We're gonna let this cool slightly, then we're gonna pop in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Now it's time to assemble the banana pudding. We'll need bananas, custard, whipped topping, biscoff, and vanilla wafers. Peel and slice bananas and set aside. Now it's time to assemble our dessert. I'm using a white truffle bowl with 4 to 5 quart capacity. First, I'm gonna arrange a layer of vanilla pudding. Then I'm gonna arrange 1/3 of vanilla wafers, covering the bottom, overlapping if necessary, guys. I know most of people, guys, like vanilla wafers, but I found Benton vanilla wafers also works good with this recipe. One thing you have to keep in mind, this recipe can be made 40 hours in advance, but anything longer than that, the bananas will begin losing moisture, so it's best you stick to 2 days or less. And also, if you don't have a truffle dish, no worries, guys. Your favorite 9 by 13 inches baking dish will work just fine. This is the layout, guys. First, cover the bottom with 1/3 of the pudding. Then we're gonna arrange 1/3 of vanilla wafers. Then top them with the layer of bananas. Then whipped cream. Then we keep repeating twice more, garnishing with additional vanilla wafers. Then we're gonna cover this tightly and allow to chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours or up to 8 hours. The reason the recipe says to serve within 8 hours is that the bananas will turn brown as they oxidize. You know, guys, there are couple of things that you can do to make not brown as fast. You can pick bananas that are barely ripe. If they are slightly green on the stem, those are perfect. 2, you can brush the bananas with lemon juice, and be careful as this can change the flavor. So brushing them is better than soaking them, guys. Or you can rinse them with club soda, not tonic water, guys, as it has a bad taste. So don't use tonic. And the other way is try to keep them airtight. Tomorrow I'll be posting a turkey recipe. Stay tuned. This turkey recipe is so flavorful, so delicious, and it will leave you wanting more. Also, we will be posting more holiday recipes. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, guys. And if you are new to my channel, hello there. Welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen, where food is cooked with Mama's love. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I want to know how you make your vanilla custard or your vanilla pudding. Let's listen to music, guys, while I'm busy finishing up this delicious banana pudding. There you have it, guys, banana pudding. The texture from the wafers and the bananas, both suspended in thick and creamy vanilla pudding, is pure good old-fashioned comfort food in a bowl. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys.